Welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to protect a PDF file so that people can only view and read it, but they won't be able to copy the text, edit the content, or even print the document. Now, this is a very common situation. For example, I have this PDF document that I want to share with others. I'm perfectly okay with them reading it, but I don't want anyone copying the content, modifying it, or printing it out. Before we dive in, if this is your first time here or you haven't subscribed yet, take a quick second to hit the subscribe button. It really helps support the channel and keeps you coming back for more useful Windows and productivity tutorials. All right, let's get started. By default, PDFs are usually very easy to copy from. For instance, I can simply highlight this text, right-click on it, and choose Copy. Let me paste that into Notepad. And as you can see, the text copies without any problem at all. I can also click on the print icon, go through the print process, and print this document freely. No restrictions whatsoever. But that's not what we want. Our goal is to make sure no one can easily copy, edit, or print the content of this PDF. And the good news is, we can do this using a free online tool without signing up and without installing any software. So let's get to it. Open your web browser. I'll be using Google Chrome for this tutorial. In the address bar, type pdf2go.com and press Enter. Once the website loads, you'll see the home page. You might notice options to create an account, but don't worry, we're not going to sign up for anything. What we need is one specific tool. Move your cursor to All Tools, then click on it. From the list of available tools, look for Protect PDF and click on it. Great. We're now on the page where we can protect our PDF file. Just keep in mind that this tool offers both free and premium options. Take a moment to review them if you like, but for this tutorial, we'll be using the free version, which works perfectly for our needs. Now, let's continue. Here, you can either drag and drop your PDF file into this area, or click on Choose File to upload it manually. You'll also see options to upload files from places like Google Drive or Dropbox. I'll choose From Device. I'll locate my PDF file, select it, and click Open to start the upload process. All right, the file is uploaded. Now, before we click Start, we need to adjust a few important settings to make sure the PDF is protected the way we want. Scroll down a little to reveal more options. Here in the Settings section, you'll first see an option to protect the PDF with a password. This is useful if you want to restrict who can open the file, but that's not our focus today. So we'll leave this blank. Scroll down a bit more. Now, this is the important part. You'll see an option that says Set a password to restrict permissions. This is exactly what we need to prevent copying, editing, and printing. You'll see three options appear: Prevent printing, Prevent copying, and Prevent editing. I'm going to check all three options. Perfect. Now, for these restrictions to work, we must set a permissions password. So go ahead and enter a password here. Then repeat the same password in the confirmation field. Below that, you'll see another option called Rasterize. This adds an extra layer of protection by flattening the content into a single, non-searchable layer. It makes it even harder for anyone to extract or manipulate the content. This step is optional, but for better security, I'll enable it. All right, everything is set. Now click on Start to begin protecting the PDF. Give it a moment to process. And there we go. Our document is ready. To download it, simply click on the Download button. There are other export options here, but we'll keep things simple and download it directly. I'll save the file and open it. Now let's test what we wanted to prevent from the beginning. I'll try to highlight some text, and as you can see, highlighting doesn't work. Even when the entire page appears selected, copying is disabled. And notice this, the print icon is now disabled, which means no one can print this document either. Exactly what we wanted. And that's it. That's how easy it is to prevent a PDF from being copied, edited, or printed using a free online tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for my next tutorial. And if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple, clear, and practical tech tutorials every single week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.